Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am upset right now because I lost all of my footage from this video. So I had to go into my iCloud and I couldn't figure out how to re-download it and put it back on my phone. So I had to screen record everything and I lost the Acrylic application videos. So I don't know what happened to them, but this is all I have, so hopefully this is okay. I'm going to be doing another video also, but I just wanted to put this out. But here I'm just doing an acrylic set, and I was going for a short natural look. So I use white because I use white acrylic because I'm going to be painting my nails like a teal color. So I wanted that to show up, but I did use the nail tips and I used white acrylic. And the acrylic stuff that I got it from Sally's. And the e-file that I'm using right now is BT Art Box. So I really like this e-file, but I'm really not sure at the same time because I don't have anything else to compare it to. But if I just had to judge this one, then I'll just say I really like this one. And here I'm just going to be filing towards the cuticle area just so I can get like a smoother transition so it's not really too bulky. And I'm also going to be filing underneath the nail so that I can get any of that acrylic that had dried underneath the nail or anything. So right here, I'm just going to be showing you the nails. And then I'm going to take my handheld file. And I also purchased this from the beauty supply store. But I'm just going to file the nails on top just to make it more smoother, to make sure there isn't any lumps or anything, so that when I do polish, it wouldn't be like bulky or lumpy or anything. So I'm just smoothing that out. So as I finish doing that, I'm going to now take a buffer and I'm going to be buffing my nails. And as I said, it just makes sure that everything is just smooth, so it's not like just bulky. So after I finish everything, I'm just going to be showing you all of the polish that I will be using and the lamp also. And I also got this from Sally's. So I'm going to be placing the bond on my nails. And I'm just going to allow that to dry just for a little bit. Alright, so after that, I'm going to be applying the base coat. And then I'm just going to allow that to cure for just a few seconds. And then after that, I'll go in with my polish. And while I was painting my nails also, I'm so sorry that I was out of frame just a little bit. It was a little bit difficult, but it's only going to get better. So I was trying to make sure that you guys are able to see what I was doing. And guys, isn't this so cute? I just love this little light. It just looks so pretty. So as you can see here, I already did the second coat. So I'm going to be taking some of these rhinestones and I'm going to be using that top coat that I'll be using later on also. And I'm just going to use that so that the rhinestones can stick onto the polish. And then after I place them up there, I'm just going to cure for a few seconds. And then I'm just going to go back in with that same top coat. So this is the solution that came with the polish also, and it's just for after you finish curing everything, it gets off the sticky residue that's left from the top coat. So after I finish that, I'm just going to be taking some cuticle oil, and I just got this from the beauty supply store also, but I'm just going to be rubbing that into all of the nails just so it's not really dried out or anything. And then I'll be showing you the finished product. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.